Most AI tools are limited by short memory, forgetting context quickly. This makes reading long documents and staying coherent across hours of work nearly impossible. You need an assistant that can see the big picture. Meet Claude by Anthropic, designed to be helpful, harmless, and honest. Claude boasts a 200,000 token context window, allowing it to process a 500-page book at once. This enables deep analysis, honest responses by acknowledging uncertainty, and complex, multi-step reasoning. Key features include document analysis, reading entire files like contracts or reports. Claude also offers nuanced reasoning with well-reasoned, multi-step answers. It supports multi-language coding by writing, reviewing, and debugging code. Finally, it provides consistent, reliable, and helpful behavior across long conversations. Claude excels for professionals needing depth, precision, and reliability. This includes researchers, legal professionals reviewing contracts, writers seeking thoughtful manuscript feedback, and business analysts processing lengthy reports. Anyone needing a reliable, intelligent AI partner benefits. Experience Claude, the AI built with care and depth, for yourself. Simply visit claude.ai and sign up for free. You can then upload documents or ask complex questions to request detailed analysis or thoughtful writing. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.